To publish your Android app to Google Play Store, you must have a Google Play developer account, and in this video, we'll learn how to publish your Android app to Google Play Store. Let's first create a new app in Google Play Console. Then provide your app name. Choose whether you are uploading an app or game and choose if it's free or paid. You must accept the developer program policies and US export laws in order to publish your app to Google Play Store. Now, under Store Presence, navigate to Main Store Listing menu. Let's enter a short description and a full description of the app. Next, you will have to upload your app logo, which must be 512 by 512 pixel. Then you will need to upload a feature graphic of 1024 by 500 pixel. If you have a featured video of your app, you can add it here. Finally, you will have to upload some screenshots of your app for phone and tablet. Next, navigate to App Content menu and complete all available declarations. Let's first provide a publicly available privacy policy page URL from my website. Then the ads declaration. As my app has AdMob ads integration, I will choose that my app contains ad. Next, the app access. If your app or website has some features or content, those are only available if a user signs in, then you will have to provide information to Google Reviewer team. As my website has some restricted content, those are only available to logged in users. I'll choose the second option. Then I'll have to provide a testing account credential so that Google Reviewer team can use that account information to log in and test. Next step is content ratings. First, enter your email address and the category of the app. Then answer all the questions according to your app. Mostly, the answer to all of the questions is No. Next, choose your target audience, where the target age group should be 18 to over if your app is not targeted to children. Next, I'm choosing that in way, my app cannot appeal to children. After that, we'll have to declare if the app is a news app or not. If your app is a news app, you must have necessary documents to publish news. In the same way, you will have to declare if your app is a COVID-19 contact tracing app or not. In the data safety declaration, you'll have to let Google know whether or not your app collects and shares user data to third parties. Next, in Advertising ID, you will have to tell if your app uses any SDK that contains Advertising ID. As I am using AdMob ads in Firebase, I am choosing Developer Communication for Firebase and Advertising or Marketing for AdMob. Next, declare if your app is a government app or not. Finally, does your app contain financial features or not? If you don't have necessary permission to conduct financial activities, you should choose that your app doesn't have financial features. Now navigating to the production menu, and let's create a new release. Here you will have to upload the AAB file generated from Applix. But before that, if you see a warning to choose sign-in key, select to use Google generated key. Let's now upload the AAB file. You can customize the release name and release notes. Now we can see the incomplete tasks. Let's go to Dashboard to check them. Here, we have not provided the contact details and app category information. Choose the app category in which your app belongs. Also provide contact details which will be displayed publicly in your Google Play Store listing. Again, navigating to Dashboard to check if still something left or not. We haven't choose the countries where our app will be available. For my case, I am allowing users from all countries to use my app. Everything is done, and now navigating to the production menu again, and let's edit the release again where we got errors before. You can see one or more warning here, and you really don't need to worry about that. At last, our app is ready to send for review, and let's go to the publishing overview page and send all the changes for review to Google Play reviewer team. Now our update status is in review, and reviewer team can take 3 to 7 business days to review and publish an app. If, due to any issue, your app gets rejected or anywhere in app publishing, you need our dedicated team's help, you can invite us to manage your app from Users and Permission page. Enter our support email address and choose the app in which you need help. Provide us complete permission so that our support team can help you publishing the app.